Good morning, students, and welcome to your workshop lab. And in this lab, we'll start with your syllabus. Actually, what is there in your engineering workshop syllabus? As that you must know about your engineering workshop syllabus. What is there in the syllabus? So, in the first, you have mostly in workshop you will have to do three types of experiment. One will be your fitting shop, and another one will be your welding shop, and the last one will go for the machining shop. Okay, so in fitting shop, you can see the different tools measurement and your marking of your tools, different workshop tools, and your cutting, chisel, drill, and your male and female joint, hammer, hexa forming, all these things you need to discuss about in this fitting shop. So all the details about this, all the tools will be discussed by Mr. Ajit Kumar, who will be the in charge of this fitting shop, and in the next video he will be delivered all the lectures.
Today we discuss about fitting shop. What is fitting? Fitting is a process in which assembling and disassembling of machine by using hand tools. Different process, different types of operations are taken in fitting process, such as measuring, marking, holding and cutting and assembling. At first discuss about measuring operation. Measuring operation are two types: direct measurement and indirect measurement. Direct measurement tools are steel rule, vernier caliper and micrometer. First one is steel rule. Steel rule is a direct measurement tools which is used measure the length of the job. It is made by stainless steel. Its least count are 0.5 mm and range are 150, 300 and 600 mm. Second one is vernier caliper. It is precision instrument tools which is used to measure inside and outside and depth measurement. It is made by Inver steel. Its least count 0.02 mm and range are 150, 300 and 600 mm. Third one is a micrometer. It is also precision measurement tools. It is used for measuring small length. Its ranges are 0 to 25, 25 to 50 mm, 50 mm to 75 mm. It's measurement tools. Indirect measurement tools are outside caliper, inside caliper, oblique caliper and divider. It is used
outside caliper is used to
it is used to measure the outside length of the job. Next, inside caliper. Inside caliper is used to inside measurement of the job. Divider. It is used to measure distance and scribbling a circle on the job. Oblique caliper. It is used to marking center line of the round job. Next, marking operation After measuring operation, we start marking operation. The marking tools are tri-square, scriber, punch, and hammer. Tri-square. Tri-square have two parts, stock. Tri-square have two parts, stock and blade. It is to check the right angle and flatness of job. It is made by tool steel. Scriber. It is used to a line of the job. It is two types. One is straight scriber. Second one is bent type scriber. It is made by high carbon steel. Punch. It is three types. First one is dot punch. It is point angle is 60 degree. It used for witness marking. Second one is prick punch. Its point angle is 30 degree. It's also used witness marking. Third one is center punch. Its point angle is 90 degree. It used for drilling purpose. Next, hammer. It is striking tools which is used for marking purpose. Hammer is three types. First one is ball pen hammer. Second one is cross pen hammer. Third one is straight pen hammer. In fittings of ball pen hammer is used. It's made by drop forging carbon steel. Its weight is 250 gram. Holding device by holding tools. It is a used for holding the job. Usually before doing any operation and different types of holding device. First one bench vise. Second one C-clamp. Bench vise. It is a holding device which is seated on a bench, so it is called bench vise. Parts of bench vise: fixed jaw, and this is a movable jaw. This is a jaw plate. This is a handle. This is a spindle. This is a body. Box nut. Bench vise specified according to the jaw plate. Body made of grey cast iron. Next, C-clamp. It is used for gripping the small job which is do not hold on a bench vise. Then cutting tools. It is used for cutting the raw metal and extra metal from the job. The different type of cutting tools used are hacksaw. Second part is chisel. Hacksaw having 5 parts. Frame. Frame, blade, wooden handle, wing nut, tension screw. According to the frame, hacksaw are two types. First one a solid hacksaw. Second one a adjustable hacksaw. Range of the hacksaw are 300 mm and 600 mm. Next, chisel. Chisel is used the cutting sheet metal. Chisels are two types. One a hot chisel. Second one a cold chisel. Cold chisel are using the in fittings of hot chisel using forging shop. Layout marking. For prepare a fitting job, we must known about layout marking. In layout marking, we use different type of tools such as surface plate, angle plate, marking table, and veneer height gauge. This is a surface plate. Surface plate is used to supporting the job and also check the flatness of job. Next is angle plate. Angle plate is also used backside support the job when marking and clamping heavy weight of the job. And angle plate made by cast iron. It is a marking table. It is a stand in which surface plate and angle plate and veneer height gauge are placed. Veneer height gauge. Veneer height gauge. It is a similarly to veneer calipers, but it use for marking purpose. The parts of veneer height gauge base, main scale, scriber, and adjustable screw beam. Veneer caliper range it 600 mm and the least count is a 0.02 mm. Next, finishing tools or assembly tools. It is used to remove the extra material from the job which have mark on the layout marking process. Finishing tools is file. File is used from remove the extra material from the job. Parts of a file: teeth, edges, teeth, threads, solder, handle. Teeth to threads is called length of file. According to the shape, file are 7 types: flat file, hand file, round file, half round file, square file, triangular file, knife edge file. Flat file, cross section of this file is rectangular, so it is called flat file. It is similarly to flat file, what is length is small, on side have no teeth. Round file, its cross section have round, so it is called round file. Half round file, its cross section have half round, so it is called half round file. Triangular file, cross section have triangular, it calls triangular file. Square file, its cross section square, so it is called square file. According to the cut of file are 4 types: single cut, double cut, rest cut file, and curved cut file. Single cut file cut have 1 cut of teeth. Double cut file, double coat file have double coat of teeth. Rest coat file, it is used for filing smooth material. Curve coat file, it have curved coat teeth. According to the grade, file are 5 types. Is a rough file, second one is a smooth file, third one is a bastard file, fourth one is a dead smooth file, fifth one is